This video will show you a quick tutorial on how to use your new easy-to-use Axonics charging system. To charge, first remove your charger from its dock. The dock is used to store your charger and to recharge its battery. The charger light indicates how much life is in the charger's battery. If the green light is on, it's ready to fully charge your stimulator. If you see a solid orange light, the charger will only partially charge your stimulator. You have two options for holding the charger in place during charging. A thin, flexible carrier can hold the charger in place using skin-friendly, removable adhesive. Or a soft, stretchy belt can be worn around your waist to hold the charger in place. To use the carrier, start by snapping the bottom of the charger into the open center of the carrier. To use the belt, snap the bottom of the charger into the green plastic ring. Once the charger is snapped into the belt, you'll need to align it with your stimulator. Hold the charger against your skin on top of where the stimulator was placed and listen for a long beep. With the charger placed over the stimulator, you can sit back and relax until charging is finished. However, if you hear 3 tones and feel the charger vibrate, charging has stopped before the stimulator has fully charged. This typically happens because the charger has moved away from the stimulator. Place the charger in the proper location to continue the process. You'll hear the same tone as before when charging resumes. When you hear this sound, charging is complete. Once charging is complete, remove the charger and unsnap it from the carrier or belt. Place the charger on the dock so it's ready the next time you want to charge. If you used the disposable carrier, you can throw it away. The belt can be stored and reused. It's a good habit to check your remote control after charging to make sure your stimulation is on and at the desired level. You'll need to periodically charge your stimulator for about an hour. If you're unsure if your stimulator needs charging, you can always check the lights on your remote control. Charging more frequently can reduce the time it takes to charge. If you have any other questions about charging your stimulator, contact your healthcare provider or refer to the manuals included with your device.